Now, if you don't have your domain name at the moment, you could search for one and try to get one immediately. I recommend you spend some time outside of here looking for a suitable domain name before you settle on one. If you were using WIX, you would probably be able to skip all of this. It would be a much more quick experience with WIX. So in my case, I've already got the domain, so I'm going to go to this option here to connect the domain. So now I'm going to add my domain name. So here are some instructions about how to connect sign into your Namecheap account. So this is my account over here. I'll just separate these two so it's easy to see them side by side. So go to domain list and go to manage for my website. So it's this one here. So I'm just going to go manage. Next to name servers. So this is the next step here. You can go next to name servers, put a custom DNS, and you can copy the WIX DNS, which is here. And you can click the check mark. Final step is to verify the connection, and that is one way to do it. Okay, great. So just be patient and the website will connect. If you have any difficulty whatsoever, I highly recommend just reaching out to your domain provider, and they will have possibly a live chat function. Namecheap has a really good live chat function, and you can talk to people in real time. Okay, so there's a problem here. Let's try to go and fix it. And in my case, I had got an alternative technique from the Namecheap side. So I'll just show you quickly my chat with the support person. I told them I had some trouble connecting and they were fairly quick. I got a reply. And here are the instructions that she's given me. So this is the second method, which you can use to connect your domain.